Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 types of ice lollies. Lemon ice lolly, milk ice lollies, passion ice lollies, and lastly tamarind ice lollies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipes. So our first recipe is going to be tasty lemon ice lollies. Ingredients: you will need a bit of lemon fruit skin. Make sure you've removed the white part as much as you can. And if there's some left like this, it's okay. You'll also need 3 cups of water, which is approximately to 700 milliliter. You'll also need lemon or lime essence, about 1 to 2 drops. 1 cup of sugar, a quarter tablespoon of green food coloring, a half cup of lemon juice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour. In a medium pot, pour 3 cups of water, which is approximately to 700 milliliter, followed by 1 cup of sugar and a bit of lemon skin. Then stir and let the water to simmer in a medium heat. Once the water starts to simmer, you will add 1 to 2 drops of lemon or lime essence and add a half a cup of lemon juice and stir and let it continue to simmer. After 1 to 2 minutes, you will add a quarter tablespoon of green food coloring and give a quick mix and let the water to boil. Then lastly, you'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix with a bit of water till well mixed. Then you'll pour into the pot and let it continue cook till the juice becomes thick. Once you get to notice that your lemon juice is getting thick like this, then your lemon juice is ready. Then you'll take a sieve and place on the jug and pour the juice and let it cool down before putting the juice in the ice molds or ice bags. Once the juice has cooled down, fill into the ice lolly bags like this or ice molds as you prefer and freeze them for 6 hours or more. I'm done filling my ice lollies. I've got about 10 ice lollies as you can see in the video, and I'll freeze them for 6 hours in the fridge. And after 6 hours, my lemon ice lollies are ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your lemon ice lollies. Our second recipe is going to be milk ice lollies. On today's recipe, you will need 1 liter of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. You'll also need green food coloring and an orange food coloring. The first step, place your pot in a medium heat, then pour 1 liter of milk followed by 1 cup of milk powder and stir well till everything is well mixed and there is no any lumps left. Then you'll add 1 cup of sugar and continue stirring constantly till the sugar dissolves in with the milk. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, optional if you don't like cardamom powder, and continue stirring constantly. Lastly, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is to make our consistency more thick. You will mix with some water till you get a light thin consistency. Then pour into the milk and continue stirring till the mixture becomes thick. Once your mixture becomes thick like this, then your milk is ready. Then I'm going to divide the milk into 4 portions so I can have different types of ice lollies. In this pot, I'm left with a little bit. I will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and I will mix for at least 1 minute till everything is well mixed. As you can see in the video, I have 4 portions with me. I added a quarter teaspoon of food coloring on each bowl to get these different types of look. On each and every bowl, I added a quarter teaspoon of food coloring on each bowl. On my first bowl, I added a quarter teaspoon of red food coloring, and on the second bowl, I added deep orange food coloring, and on the third bowl, I added green food coloring, and on the last one, I added cocoa powder 2 tablespoons to get these different types of mixture. Then I'm going to fill the milk mixture into the ice bag packets, or you can also use some ice molds, anything you prefer, to fill in your milk mixture. Lastly, I'm done filling my milk mixture into the ice packets. I'm going to freeze them in the freezer for 8 hours or more till they become ice. And after 8 hours, my milk ice lollies are ready. As you can see in the video, they're really delicious, and enjoy your milk ice lollies. Our third recipe is going to be passion fruits ice lollies. Ingredients to make passion ice lollies: you will need sugar, 1 big carrot, 12 passions as you can see in the video, a half cucumber, 1 ripe mango, and some water. In a medium bowl, cut all the fruits into small pieces. First, you'll remove the passion from its shell, then cut the cucumber into small pieces, 1 large carrot into small pieces, and lastly the ripe mango as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Then put the fruits into a blender to blend them. Then I added a half a cup of water because my blender is too small, but if you have a larger blender, it's better. Then blend everything very nice. And when ready, pour in a bowl. At this point, you can add more sugar and water depending on the thickness and sweetness you want. As for me, in total, I added about 8 to 10 tablespoons of sugar and 500 milliliters of water. Then afterwards, you'll filter your juice once or twice using a sieve like this, as you can see in the video. And my juice is ready. Fill the ice bags with the juice using a filter like this so it can go faster. And place the ice lollies in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. And after some hours, your ice passion lollies are ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your passion lollies. And our last recipe is going to be tamarind fruits ice lollies. On today's recipe, you will need 1.5 squeezed lime, a drop of vanilla essence, 1 liter of warm water or more. You'll also need some sugar according to the sweetness you want. And lastly, you'll need some tamarind. I will use about 350 grams of tamarind. In a large bowl like this, you will add some tamarind. I used about 350 grams of tamarind. Then I'm going to pour 1 liter of warm water or more. And I'm going to add sugar about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Then stir and cover to put aside for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to mix my tamarind very well to get enough juice out of it. And once I'm done, I will transfer the juice into a jug, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to pour the juice back into the bowl using a sieve, as you can see in the video, to get rid of the seeds. Then pour some squeezed lime and give a quick mix. Then I'm going to add a drop of vanilla essence and continue mixing the juice very well. At this point, you'll test your juice if you will need more sugar or not. And if yes, add some sugar according to the sweetness that you want and mix the juice very well. Then I'm going to sieve the juice once more before filling into the ice bags or ice molds. Then lastly, I'm going to fill the juice into the ice bags, or you can use ice molds, anything that you prefer. And my tamarind lime ice lollies are ready, as you can see in the video. I'll put them in the freezer for 8 hours or more. And after 8 hours, my tamarind ice lollies are ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your tamarind ice lollies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of ice lollies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.